Hey, Luke, come here. Luke.
Okay, there.
Watch, you ready? Watch this.
Oh.
Yeah, we're using batteries.
It's crippled already?
Well, this doesn't look very well on the ground.
Both boys are keeping their distance. Max thinks it's cool. Luke is very nervous, so Tessa doesn't seem fazed at all.
He wants to play with it.
Is that a crazy monster truck or what? Go say hi to it, Luke. Honey, it won't hurt you. It's okay, it's okay. It won't hurt you.
Okay, you do it.
Okay. Okay, great. Get on my lap. Max, on the other hand, wants to get controls. I'm right here, see? You can watch it in here. And don't push buttons here. Okay, here's Max gonna try to do it.
You gotta push it forward and backwards, see? Put this one back and forward, see? Whoa! Like that. Like that, that's how you do it. So you push it side to side.
Tessa has made friends with it, however. Tessa does not have anything. Do you want to go play with it, Luke? Go by Daddy. All right, this is 2.5 minutes. No, don't.